What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Campbell Kitchen. Today we're going to make pork chops, Vietnamese style, the best, juiciest, most delicious, flavorful pork chops of your life. So, it's very easy. Start with some aromatics. I use shallots, I use garlic, I use lemongrass. I chop them all up really fine. You can use as much or as little as you want. I use a few cloves of garlic, like 5 or 6. I use a shallot, and I use like one small 2-inch stalk of lemongrass. Chop that all up really fine. Put that in a bowl. And now we're going to add our flavorful ingredients. So I use soy sauce. And this is very easy to remember. I do 3. So it's 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, any kind that you want. I have this red boat fish sauce that I love to use. 3 tablespoons of that. I also use 3 beautiful tablespoons of grapeseed oil, or you could use 4, completely up to you. I do 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. So I mix that all up. I also add just a little bit of lime juice. The lime kind of helps bring everything together, balance it out. It's very salty, kind of balances that salt and that sugar. Just such a nice, flavorful marinade. Stir it all up. There you go. You're ready to roll. So now we're going to take our pork chops. You can marinate really anything, but pork chops are the traditional marinade of choice. So what we do is we put them in that beautiful, delicious flavor bomb of a marinade. You let them sit as long as you want. You could let them sit overnight. They taste a little better if they sit overnight. Don't let them sit for longer than 24 hours, otherwise they make it a little firm and over-cured. 6 hours, 3 hours, totally fine. And there you have it, beautiful marinated pork chops ready to grill. Or you can broil or saute. I'm using my charcoal Komodo Joe because the flavor on this thing is next level. So I'm gonna fire that baby up. I'm gonna get it up to about 450, even though in here it says 350. It didn't quite get as hot as I wanted it to. Try and get it around 450. Get that thing pretty blazing hot. And then what you're gonna do is just grill them, and you're gonna get some nice char, okay? So the pork chop should be nice and fatty. If you overcook the lean meat a little bit, it should be fine because there's that nice fat cap that's gonna keep that meat really juicy and moist. So just char them. Just flip them, char them, cook them. You know, they should get nice color. They should be a little bit smoky, and that's exactly what you want, and that's the flavor that you're going for. And to plate this up, it couldn't be easier. A little bit of rice, get your beautiful charred pork chop, a little bit of sliced tomato, and a little bit of sliced cucumber, and you have yourself a healthy, super flavorful, very easy dinner. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I make this at least once a month, and I should make it more because every time I make it, it's so darn good. It's ridiculous. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. As I said before, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon, and have a wonderful day.